For our interns, we really try to focus on giving them a broad experience to expose them to all the different facets of engineering within the area they're working. So we get their hands in multiple areas because our goal is really to help them better identify, what do you want to be doing when you graduate? What area do you want to specialize in? And that exposure helps them identify that.
For an internship, it really couldn't find a better place because you have cutting-edge technology and great people in a small work environment where you really get exposure to everything. And if you have any problems, you have a plethora of people that are willing to help you. And they all understand that you're new to this and you're learning, and they want to see you succeed as much as you want to succeed.
To be honest, I didn't know much about Nsight when I applied, but then when I did, I looked into it, and everyone had said it was a great company to work for.
We really stepped back to go, where are we missing a group of candidates for our full-time recruiting efforts that would really be a viable route for us to pursue further. So we started to get more involved with the schools, more involved with the campus events, going to more career fairs, and that led us into growing our intern program. So the internship is twofold. We're getting exposure to candidates to figure out if they're potentially a long-term fit for us, but we're also exposing them to a world of telecom they may not otherwise have exposure to see if that's a fit for them long-term as well.
It's interesting with the telecommunications that there was tons I didn't know about the complexities of fiber and different strand counts and the intricacies of how it actually all works.
I did not know Nsight was actually this big until I actually got here. And my advisor was like, yep, we have to go to these towns do this many thousand feet of fiber. I'm like, oh my goodness, wow.
When you can see that light bulb turn on, they're here, they're engaged, they're having fun, they're excited, they're starting to look at, where would I want to live when I come here? They're thinking forward to the future, and it's a quick transition to get them on with us full time.
To be honest, I'm actually doing what I would like to do right now. I could still go out in the field and do the things I like to do while still doing the engineering part. But once I found this, I was like, okay, this is what I want to do.